use. Yeah. Yes, good evening, everyone. I welcome you to these exciting sessions. And today we gather here to get a great, excellent, knowledgeable sessions from one of our teammates whom I really admired. He's energetic, and the way he handholded all the team. He is the youngest millionaire, youngest manager also, and he is a founder of WTI, right? He has his own team also. So he's going to lead the sessions today, and I am really humble because Nikhil sir accepted beside his busy schedules because this month, the month is ending. You all know that it's a closing month. He's very busy and holding all the team and all sort of downlines and all right. So with just short notice, he accepted my invitation. So thank you so much. Nikhil sir is here. And yes, team, you can show your excitement on the text messages with the fire emojis or warm welcoming Nikhil sir. Okay, his name is Nikhil Kundras. He's also from Delhi, right? And we met in Emma first time and we become close, right? Yes. So he's here so you can show the excitement. So all these teams, we are in combined. Nikhil sir, some are from Northeast, Manipur, Assam, Nagaland, all right, and some from, yes, Bangalore as well. So I think Nikhil sir, okay. I will make you a host, all right?
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Okay, guys, just give me a raise hand if you are able to hear me, and if you can see my video is on. Uh, Are you guys able to hear me? Yeah. So first of all, thank you so much, ma'am, for inviting me and for this wonderful warm welcome. As I'm learning so much things from you, but it is my honor to just train your team from all over India, and I'll try my best. I give my best to teach you guys from my experience. So, as she said, myself Nikhil Kundra, and I'm from Delhi. And in Forever's marketing plan, currently I'm on manager level. And yeah, this was my first MR, and this was one of the best trip I ever had in my life. Or Janlin ma'am, she supported me so well because I was this was my first time, and I'm the only person from my group who was attending. But the thing is, ki I was feeling like ki I know her from the very long time, and she was kind of like older sister to me, elder sister to me, and she was telling me just do this, just do that. So I felt so blessed. So that's why we are here, and I'm here to guide you. So I'm from Delhi, as I told you. So my English is not that much fluent, but you just guys try to understand what I'm trying to say. And today I'm going to share you some points where that points can help you to grow into this business, because when I started this business now, I was just like same as you, है ना? We all started this business just to do something big in our life. We started forever for our dreams, but when we start now, so we'll face some, I can speak in Hindi too. Yeah, thank you so much. All right, so when I started na this business, so there's a lot of thing I was facing. There's a lot of challenges, and when we like face some challenges, na the thing is when you go by the road, है ना आप road से जा रहे हो, and you are riding a vehicle or you are driving a vehicle, then you'll see a breaker. Then what you do? You just पुट योर ब्रेक्स ऑन, आप ब्रेक लगाते हैं, और वहां पे क्या होता है, यू जस्ट चॉप ओवर देयर, एंड राइट आफ्टर दैट व्हाट वी डू, इफ यू आर गोइंग ऑन द स्पीड ऑफ 50 60 और मे बी 100, है ना, व्हेन वी सी द ब्रेकर और मैनहोल समथिंग लाइक दैट, वी जस्ट पुट ऑन द ब्रेक। फिर उसके बाद क्या होता है, हमारा जो व्हीकल है वो बिल्कुल स्लो हो जाता है। एम आई राइट टू ऑल? एंड व्हाट यू नीड टू डू आफ्टर दैट, when you cross that hurdle, or I can say the manhole, or I can say the breaker, then you again accelerate your vehicle na, so that you can go to your peak. So when I started this business, now I also faced lot of challenges, so many things that like उन्होंने मुझे रोका just to achieve this thing. But finally, I am here on the manager level. How? जब भी मुझे ब्रेकर आए, just stop myself. Then I again accelerate myself. So this is the journey of this business. You'll face lot of challenges, lot of breakers by your mind or by someone else. What you need to do is you just maybe you'll stop here, but you need to accelerate again your game. So here are some points I want to share with you guys. मैं आप लोगों के साथ share करना चाहता हूँ. So I write it on my iPad so that you can easily see that. And recently I had a meeting with my team as well as ma'am. अभी मैंने कुछ टाइम पहले अपनी टीम के साथ मीटिंग किया था. सो दिस इज द कल्चर ऑफ फॉरएवर एज यू नो. We help each other to grow into this business. This is the very मतलब best company I have ever seen in my life, where you grow in your life by just helping others, है ना. This is the beauty of this business. So by my experience, मेरे experience से I'm going to teach you some points maybe that will help you to grow into this in this business. So you just आप एक बार रेज हैंड कर दीजिए so that I can see is it clearly visible to you or not. This is my daily task. Okay, ma'am is giving me thumbs up. All right. So here are some points I want to share with you guys. As you can see, मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा था system for success. So I must say, if you are following this point ना, which I am going to tell you right up, अभी जो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाला हूँ, अगर आप ये points जो हैं, if you follow these points, definitely you will become successful. Definitely you will become manager. Definitely you will achieve all those things which you are looking for. इसी इन सब पॉइंट से, because of all these points, just like मैम की मैं बात करूं, अपनी बात करूं, and the top distributor, each and every distributor, the top distributor in this business, they just follow this point because I just write it down this point by my experience, अपने experience से, as well as मैंने बहुत सारे senior से सब कुछ सीखा, है ना. So the first thing I want to tell you is, if you want to become successful na, if you genuinely want to become successful in your life, what you need to do is, you don't need to chase for the result. आपको results के लिए chase नहीं करना है. What you need to do is, you need to create a system, because as you know, you are coming in a business, and that business name, that company name is Forever Living Products, as you guys know. So if you are coming in this business now, you know the best part about this business is passive income. Do you know about the passive income? How many of you know about the passive income? Just give me a raise hand, or maybe or thumbs up. How many of you know about the passive income? Am I audible to you guys? Do you know about the passive income? You can react now, or you can write you just type yes on your chat. Passive income. Do you know about the passive income? Yeah. So what's the passive income? As when I started this business, मेरे को पता चला था that if you want to become successful in your life now, you should have some education, and you'll get three types of education in your life. First is academics, जो हम 12th तक अपना करते हैं ना, +2 तक अपना करते हैं. Then we do professional education. Professional education, you maybe join some course, CA, CS, or lot of courses like that. As I'm giving the example of CACS because I'm a commerce student. I finished my graduation from Delhi University, and in between I'll tell you about myself also. I have started this, and how I become this. So the thing is, in our life, we just need three education. First is academic, जो हम अपनी 12th तक करते हैं. Right after that, we do some professional courses, and the most important education we should have. And I say, there's very few people in our country or in this world have this education, and that education can build you financially strong, और वही आपके सारे dreams भी पूरे करवा सकती है. That is called financial education. So when I started this business now, I already completed my academics and professional, but this business told me about the financial education. As you know na, financial education, how to make money, how to multiply it, and how to manage it. तो मुझे पता चला, when I started, people in this world, they make two types of income. First is active, and second one is passive. Active income is the income where I need to involve myself actively. I just take an example of a hospital. If you see the hospital, there's doctor. Doctor are so great. They are kind of a second god to us. हमारे लिए दूसरे भगवान होते हैं, as you know guys, as you guys know. तो what they need to do, वो patients को देखते हैं, वो इलाज करते हैं, they operate people, and then they'll get their salary, their income, and they make a good amount of money. But if I talk about the owner of that hospital, उनको patients को देखना पड़ता है क्या? Yes or no? No. Do they need to operate the patients? No. उनका हॉस्पिटल में आना भी जरूरी नहीं है. Still, he make that owner make good amount of income, and that income is called passive income. So if you want to achieve all your dreams na from this business, from Forever Living Products, you have to work on passive income. And passive income आप कर पाओगे when you create a system, or I can say when you work for a system. और when you build a system, maybe आपके पास तो एक बहुत ब्यूटीफुल सिस्टम होगा, because you are already part of a very beautiful group na, of Arvind Sharma sir, one of the best group I ever had, and I admire him as well. As he is so hardworking, and he created a legacy behind him. So he created a very beautiful system. But if you are working on any system, किसी भी system पे आप काम कर लीजिए, the fundamentals are same. फंडामेंटल्स जो सक्सेस के होते हैं वो सेम ही होते हैं. So when I started this business, I was so energetic, just like now. I was so like passionate, dream oriented, goal oriented, and I was ready to achieve everything, anything. And I'm ready. I want to say I want to achieve whatever I want to achieve, and for that I have to do a lot of hard work. ये सारी चीजें मैं जानता था. But when I started this business, now I got to know I need to work on a system. So there's some system. There's a system I'm going to talk about. I just write it down 9 points, and I want to share with you guys. If you follow this 9 point, I'm definitely telling you, you'll achieve so many big thing in this business. And I can say कि आप अपना next 6 month में manager level qualify कर सकते हो. This is the beauty of this system, and ये 9 points मैं आपके साथ share करूंगा. So when I started this business, I was just completed my graduation, and uh, I was looking for something. Then I introduced to Forever. One of my friend introduced me this business. I was having some health challenges, some gastritis problem. So these products helped me a lot to uh, overcome my health issues. And right after that, I got to know this is a very beautiful opportunity, and I have to work on it. और उसके बाद मैं अपने सारे ड्रीम्स अचीव कर सकता हूँ. तो द फर्स्ट थिंग जो हमें इस बिजनेस में सिखाई जाती है, when we start this, that clear your why, right? When you start this business, आपके सीनियर्स क्या कहते हैं? आप अपने वाई को क्लियर करो. Just clear your why. Just clear your why. Just clear your why. What is that why? That why is your goal. Nothing but is your goal, your aim. So first, if you are coming in this business now, first you have to be clear what you are going to do in this business. When I started this business now, I was very clear. The life which I want, the lifestyle which I want, the income I want, for that I have to complete my manager level. I know that. आई नो दैट कि अगर मुझे एक अच्छी लाइफ चाहिए, मुझे 1 लाख रुपीज अ मंथ इनकम इज मतलब इज रिक्वायर्ड टू मी. मुझे वो चाहिए ही चाहिए. तो दैट वाज वेरी क्लियर टू मी. आई वाज नॉट सो कंफ्यूज कि व्हाट आई हैव टू डू. सो आर यू गाइस क्लियर? आर यू गाइस क्लियर व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इन दिस बिजनेस? एंड आई वाज वेरी क्लियर व्हाई आई शुड वांट दैट इनकम. मतलब मुझे वो इनकम क्यों चाहिए, दैट 1 लाख रुपीज. सो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर क्लियर? आप में से कितने लोग क्लियर है दैट व्हाट यू गाइस नीड टू डू इन दिस बिजनेस? जस्ट गिव मी अ रेज हैंड. जस्ट रेज योर हैंड, और यू कैन thumbs up. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर क्लियर? ओके, so you just type na, you just type it out. What do you want from this business? You just type your goals, or I can say your dreams. What you guys want from this business? Just type it out. मैम आपने प्राइवेसी लगाया क्या चैट पे? पोस्ट ना, आई use the chat box. You, you guys can use the chat box if you are comfortable with that. I just want to know. See, आज की मीटिंग आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू द मोनोलॉग. Maybe I'm very very new to you guys, but you can consider me like your friend, or like Janlin ma'am. I'm very open-minded person and open to talk to anyone. I'm not that kind of person ki I'm on manager level. Please don't talk to me. I'm from the different group. है ना? Earn income, earn income. Everybody wants to earn income, and also help each other. Okay, earn income. So you are saying you want to earn the income, financial freedom to become manager. Yeah, yeah, I can see. Sapan is writing, Mercy, money. Okay, Seema ji, Rustam. Okay, you guys are writing, typing. You want to become manager, you want to become financially free, you want to earn income. But that's the process. Okay, that's not the final aim. This is not the final aim, or I can say ki what you want by just making the money. Like I was very clear na ki mere ko 1 lakh rupees a month, I need that because I want a lifestyle. That lifestyle was in front of me. So I was also want to become financially independent. Everybody in this world want to become financially independent. But what's the reason behind that? Why you want to become financial free? That's your why. Why you want to grow? Why you want to become manager? Do you want to become manager just for the fame? Do you want to become manager so that you can make 1 lakh rupees a month? What's your final goal? You just want to become manager just because you want to start your own charity? You want to become a manager just because you want to build a great lifestyle, or you want a dream house or a dream car? What's the reason is? I didn't start this business just to become manager or senior manager or soaring manager. I just want success, and I was very clear. So the first thing I just want to tell you guys now, if you want to become successful in this business, or if you want to achieve high things or higher level in this business, what you need to do is you just need to be clear. Then you make your target. I'm coming to my second point, that if I want 1 lakh rupees a month or 2 lakh rupees a month, then I set the target that I have to become manager for that, and I should put that date on कि मैं किस डेट पे अपना मैनेजर लेवल क्वालिफाई कर. So now are you getting me what I'm trying to say? So first you have to make a goal, then you need to set the target. Are you getting me, guys? Then what you need to do? Like I was listening to a video few days back of Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He is one of the finest scientists and one of the finest president we have ever had in our country. So he was saying, if you want to, one of a student from a school or maybe from a college, he just asked, "Ki, sir, if you want to become successful, if we want to become successful, what's your advice and what's the secret of your success?" So he was saying just have a goal, and second point he said that continuously acquire the knowledge. You just need to keep learning. Like what you need to do is you just need to clear your why, then set out the target. Then you have to learn what mindset you need to build, what knowledge you should have, what skill you should need to achieve that target. If you are coming in Forever Living Products now, you need to learn three things. First, mindset. What mindset you should have? आपके पास कैसा mindset होना चाहिए? And for that, what you can do is you can attend all your seniors training, or you can do self learning as well. As I want to say you that the thing which can make you more successful in this business, that is self learning. आज भी मैं learning करता हूँ on this level. My last month income is around 2 lakh rupees, but still I am learning because I am on manager level, but I am मतलब मैंने अभी तक अपना main final goal achieve नहीं किया है. So for that I need to continuously learn new things. हाँ, हमारे पास ट्रेनिंग सिस्टम है where my senior come and teach us about the business, but I do self learning as well. As so you guys need to do self learning. You have to take your responsibility and your team's responsibility. I told to my leaders, I just advise them to be independent in this business, to take responsibility of your learning and as well as of your team. So what you need to do is you just need to do self learning as well. As there's a lot of people in our system, why they are not growing into this business. The main difference between a successful and unsuccessful person is they are doing self learning. Successful people are doing self learning. So are you guys are doing self learning? How many of you are doing self learning? Just type me or yes. How many of you are doing self learning? Janlin ma'am, she is one of the best person I have ever seen and I have ever meet in my life. She is very like one of the nicest or sweetest person. She is always ready to teach people. But apart from her, are you guys doing self learning? If you are doing great. So what you need to do is if you want to become successful and want to achieve your target, आपको mindset करना होगा. You have to make a mindset of a successful person. I'll talk about the mindset, what is called mindset. And second thing is you should have the knowledge of your company's profile product plan. P3. Never ever forget about P3. Why I am on this level? Because I have confidence. मुझे confidence कैसे आया? Because I know each and everything about our company system, product and marketing plan. If someone come to me ना with the question कि आपकी company कब से run कर रही है? What is aloe vera? How much income I'm going to get on manager level? What's the calculation of that income? I know every answer. That's why I'm so confident. People come to you, they want to join you. But the thing is, we don't take the knowledge of company's profile and the basic of the company. That's why we scared. We are think like that we are doing something wrong and we are doing some scam with someone else. है ना? There's a lot of people that think like this. They hesitate to talk to new people or to the prospect. What's the reason behind that? Because they don't have that complete knowledge. Okay, when you build when you get knowledge now, when you start gaining knowledge, you'll become more clear. You'll get clarity, and when you get clarity now, you are answerable to the people, and then you'll become confident. Are you getting me? So you have to clear your profile, product, and plan. We have the very beautiful system where you can learn all the things, है ना? आपकी मैम ने भी आपके लिए सिस्टम क्रिएट किया होगा. And the most important thing is skill. I I talk for hours on the skills. Skills is very important. हम क्या करते हैं? We just join this business and we depend on our senior. They'll do our calls, they'll do our follow up, they'll close our prospect. No भाई, you have to build that skill. मैं इसके ऊपर एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ. If Janlin मैम टेक यू एंड मतलब उन्होंने आपको उठाया एंड सी स्टार्ट रनिंग, तो वो क्या करेंगी? वो एक सर्टेन किलोमीटर्स तक ही आपको लेके जा पाएंगी. बट इफ यू आर गो बाय योर सेल्फ ना, अगर आप वो स्किल बिल्ड कर लेते हो ना, you can go for miles and kilometers. Are you getting me? So skills are like, I take a example. अब्राहम लिंकन का एक एग्जाम्पल है. मैंने एक किताब पढ़ा था, हाउ टू विन फ्रेंड्स एंड इन्फ्लुएंस पीपल. इन दैट बुक आई गोट दैट एग्जाम्पल कि अब्राहम लिंकन सेड, इफ यू गिव मी अ ट्री, अगर आप मुझे ट्री दोगे तो कट दैट ऑफ फॉर और उसके लिए आप मुझे 4 to 5 hours दोगे, तो आई विल टेक 3 hours टू शार्पन माई एक्स. मैं अपनी कुल्हाड़ी को एक्स को शार्प करने के लिए आई टेक 3 hours. एंड दैट 3 hours टू शार्पन स्केल is his एक्स ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट स्किल्स. वो स्किल्स के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. सो इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्किल्स. So if you want to become successful into this business now, you have to build the skills. What's the basic skill we should have? We should have invitation. We need to learn about the invitation. Your invitation should be like a, you are recruiting someone, not like you are convincing someone. अभी भी आज भी मैं इनविटेशन करता हूँ, किसी को मैं इनवाइट करता हूँ, तो आई टेल टू माई पीपल एज वेल एज टू माई टीम एज वेल एज कि फील लाइक दैट यू आर रिक्रूटिंग समवन फॉर योर कंपनी और योर सिस्टम. तो मैं एग्जांपल देता हूँ. अगर आप अपने घर में किसी लड़की की शादी करते हो, तो आर लुकिंग फॉर अ मेल और आई कैन से फॉर अ हस्बैंड, उनका जो फ्यूचर हस्बैंड होगा, मे बी ग्रूम, हम जो भी कहते हैं उन्हें, पार्टनर इन शॉर्ट. तो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पार्टनर आर यू गाइस लुकिंग? विल लुक, है ना? यू लुक अ बेस्ट पर्सन, है ना, फॉर दैट गर्ल. आर यू गेटिंग मी? आप एक बेस्ट पर्सन को ढूंढोगे. सो इफ यू वांट टू बिल्ड योर बिजनेस, इफ यू वांट टू ग्रो इनटू द योर बिजनेस, तो आपको आपकी कैसी टीम चाहिए? यू वांट अ फाइन टीम ना, दैट्स व्हाई यू नीड टू रिक्रूट द फाइनेस्ट पीपल. आर यू गेटिंग मी? So first is invitation, then follow. Just master on follow. The fortune is in the follow. हम क्या करते हैं? हम एक prospect से बात करते हैं. We invite that person into the webinar. Then we forget about the follow. हम follow up के बारे में भूल ही जाते हैं. That we need to do the follow. And मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ, जो इस बिजनेस में जितने भी टॉप डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर हैं, जब मैं उनके साथ उठा बैठा, देन आई अंडरस्टूड दे आर अ मास्टर ऑफ follow. So you have to be the master of follow. Closing, you need to close the prospect, but between that, you need to master on one skill, and that skill is very, very, very important. अगर आपने वो skill build कर लिया ना, you can close hundred of people, and you can make hundreds of assistant supervisor, and that is called objection handling. Am I right, ma'am? Objection handling is one of the best skill in our business, and one of the most important skill in our business. आपको objection handling में master करना पड़ेगा. Those are not working on their objection handling, they are just wasting their prospect. If you are working on your objection handling ना, you can close 5 out of 3 people easily. अगर आप 5 लोगों को क्लोज कर रहे हैं, easily you can make 2 to 3 assistant supervisor. So this is the power of the objection handling. So what I'm telling you is, if you want to achieve your target ना, आपको सिर्फ motivation नहीं चाहिए. I'm not here to motivate you guys that I came into this business, then I do this, I do that. I just want to tell you that if you want to become successful, na, just follow the process. And that process is learning. So you should learn all these skills, and you should have all the education. Then I was talking about that mindset, na. That mindset is belief system. See, we all are from a middle class family, and our environment is like ki just make 10 to 20 to 30,000 a month. And if you want to become successful, that is very tough. That is very challenging. There's few people in this world जो कि सक्सेसफुल हो पाते हैं. अभी मॉर्निंग में क्या हुआ? आई वॉज कमिंग इन टू माई ऑफिस इन द उबर. तो देयर इज वन ऑफ दैट उबर ड्राइवर. ही वॉज लिसनिंग to me when I was talking to my prospect. So he's saying, what he was saying is कि भैया, इस बिजनेस में तो कुछ ही लोग सक्सेसफुल हो पाते हैं ना. देयर फ्यू पीपल ना जो सक्सेसफुल हो पाते हैं, नॉट एवरीवन ना. और कुछ ही लोग होते हैं जिनका बैकग्राउंड स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है, वही सक्सेसफुल हो पाते हैं. यू नो, मेरे को उस टाइम पे क्या थॉट आया, व्हाट आई वाज थिंकिंग, विद ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट, आई वाज थिंकिंग just because of this belief system he is driving this cab. Just because of that belief system, because he is thinking there's few people, कुछ ही लोग होते हैं सक्सेसफुल हो पाते हैं. This is not that thing. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है भाई. Everyone can become successful. We have apart from me and ma'am, we have 39 people in this meeting. आप 39 people successful हो सकते हो. Why we are not become of successful? Why we are not able to complete our 4 CC? Why we are not becoming manager? Why we are not able to achieve our target? Because we created a belief system that things take time. I know everything take time, but the thing is, you can do anything, whatever you think you can do. This is what I believe. The only thing which can not मतलब जो आपको रोक रही है to become successful, that is you and not you. That is your brain, that is your belief system. That's why your senior say कि daily training attend करो, do learnings, because that make a good belief system, that make a achievable belief system. To make a good belief system, you need to detox those negative people, that naysayers. I i still avoid negative people, I still avoid naysayers. They are like a toxic, or they are like a poison to our business. So what you need to do is, you should have a good environment of those people who are talking about success, dreams, and to grow into this business. और वो सब आपके सीनियर्स है. तो belief system, just make a belief system like a successful people, and feel like that you are becoming successful. Whenever I face some challenge now, you know what I feel? I feel this is the part of my success. God is taking to me that on that thing whichever I want ना, जो भी मैं चाहता हूँ भगवान मुझे उस पे लेके जा रहे हैं. So belief system is like, if I want this ना, I can achieve that. तो आप में से कितने लोग जो है एक स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीफ सिस्टम क्रिएट करने वाले, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू? आप एक बार रेज हैंड करिए. अच्छा, आई एम वॉचिंग हेयर ना बार बार बिकॉज मैं यहाँ पे पार्टिसिपेंट्स देख रहा हूँ. सो जस्ट टाइप मी. कितने लोग एक स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीफ सिस्टम क्रिएट करने वाले हैं दैट आई विल अचीव माई मैनेजर लेवल इन 6 months. आई विल कंप्लीट माई 4cc very easily. See, if you are working for the entire month, still you don't have many prospect, still you are not able to see that कि आपका 4cc business हो सकता है. That is just a belief system. You can do anything. There's lot of prospect who are waiting for you. अगर आप आज भी प्लान शो करते हो ना अपने सिस्टम के थ्रू, आप उन्हें ट्रेनिंग्स दिखाते हो, you can make assistant supervisor just in 5 days. You just need to play numbers. There's lot of people in my team who just created this example. Is like कि सर अब तो 23 हो गया है, we are not able to we don't have any prospect and we don't have more orders. हम कैसे करेंगे अपना 4cc? I don't think so कि वो 4cc हो पाएगा. I said, you know why you are not able to complete your 4cc this month? They said why? I said because आपने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया है, आपने बिलीफ सिस्टम क्रिएट कर लिया है कि आपके साथ हो सकता है 2-3 बार ऐसा हुआ हो कि आपका मंथ एंड हो गया और 4cc ना हुए हो. तो उसको देखते हुए जस्ट क्रिएटेड अ माइंडसेट दैट आई एम नॉट एबल टू अचीव दैट. अब नहीं हो पाएगा बट स्टिल यू कैन. एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल एज आई सेड. तो वो बिलीफ सिस्टम कैसे बनता है? जस्ट बाय लर्निंग एज वेल एज टेक एक्शंस. आपको 4cc करना है ना, यू वांट टू अचीव योर 4cc ना, 4cc इज द सक्सेस की. If you are on assistant supervisor level and you are doing your 4 case credit 4cc, you can make a good amount of income, maybe 10,000, 15 or 20. It's depend upon your business and your team. If you are on supervisor level, you just need to do the same thing, that is your 4cc. You are easily able to make 20, 25, 30, 40,000 a month. On supervisor level, people say कि supervisor level पे you can make 30,000, 40,000. When I was supervisor na, one of the highest check I got is 67,000 rupees on my supervisor level. You know what I did? I just completed my 4cc and help my team. Just complete your 4cc and help your team to complete their 4cc. That's the thing. What is my system is, किस तरीके से मैं ग्रो करता हूं. I just complete my 4cc, then I help my team to complete their 4cc, and those who are completing their 4cc na, I help them to complete their 10cc as well as. See, what we do is, हम एक असिस्टेंट सुपरवाइजर्स करवाते हैं असिस्टेंट सुपरवाइजर. We do our 4cc, then we stop. Then we're like, okay, we just finish our work. No, just always think about your goal, your aim. That aim, that goal, that is your fuel. Still Janlyn ma'am is working on manager level. उनको काम करने का जरूरत नहीं है. She is getting good amount of income. But why she is doing that? Because she have dreams, she have aim. अपने पर्सनल भी and with you guys. She wants कि उनकी टीम टॉप पे जाए, है ना? मैम wants that. वो आपको ग्रो करते हुए देखना चाहती है. Because she know that कि इस सिस्टम में इस लेवल पे जाके कितना ब्यूटीफुल लाइफ मिलता है. एंड यू गाइस कैन ऑल्सो डू दैट. वट यू नीड टू डू इज, यू डोंट नीड टू डू ओवर थिंकिंग. हमारा बिजनेस जो है, वी जस्ट नीड टू 10%, हमें 10% बस सोचना है. बाकी 90% वी हैव टू टेक द एक्शन. यू जस्ट मेक अ प्लान विद योर सीनियर कि मैम, हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू अचीव माई 4cc दिस मंथ, and she'll tell you the entire system, entire plan. You just need to work on that day and night and see. आप देखना on the 30th September, you'll see you'll become maybe supervisor, और आप अपनी 4cc भी कर लोगे, और you just completed all your targets. So what you need to do for that, you just need to take actions. Actions is the only solution in this business and in the life if you want to achieve anything. And the next point is, when you start taking action na, I was talking about some challenges. You'll face some challenges. And in our system na, in our business, you'll face three type of challenges. Number one is self created. We create some challenges in our mind. और मैंने एक स्टडी में देखा था 90% challenges हम खुद ही क्रिएट करते हैं इन आर माइंड. ओ, ये नहीं हो पाएगा, मे बी मैं इनको कॉल करूंगा, ये कॉल ही नहीं रिसीव करेंगे, मे बी ये मेरे से प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे, एंड दे से नो. दीज ऑल आर सेल्फ क्रिएटेड चैलेंजेस, और वो हमें मेंटली पैरालाइज कर देते हैं. देन वी स्टॉप टेकिंग द एक्शन. सो you don't need to make this self created challenges. And how you can overcome from it? Just take actions only, as I told you. If you want to finish this self created challenge na, if you want to overcome from this self created challenges, what you need to do is you just need to take action. Number second challenge is society challenges, है ना? From our family, from our friend. Okay, why you are doing this business all the day? Just take rest. घर का भी काम कर लिया करो, है ना? You are not going. You should. You also have a personal life. You have wife. You have husband. You have children. You have mother, father. You have friends. Just take rest. Just have chill. I just want to tell you guys. और दे से कि इसमें कुछ नहीं होने वाला. Why you are doing that? Why? Because they are very I can say they are very conscious toward us, and they are our well wisher. So what they want is कि हम safe play करें. We just play safe. But I want to tell you, if you want to grow in your life ना, you should need to think out of the box. और आपको एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट देना पड़ेगा. What I say is 100% तो सब दे रहे हैं, पूरा FLP इंडिया दे रहा है. एक्चुअल में अचीवमेंट एंड सक्सेस उसकी हो रही है जो 100% के बाद एफर्ट्स दे रहे. तो अगेन सोसाइटी चैलेंजेस अगर आपको आ रहे हैं तो यू अगेन नीड टू इग्नोर देम, एंड यू अगेन नीड टू टेक सम एक्शन. एंड थर्ड टाइप ऑफ challenges you will face is industrial challenges, and that is no. भाई नो तो आएगा ही, जस्ट एक्सेप्ट इट. जस्ट लाइक अ बॉक्सर हु इज वर्ल्ड चैंपियन राइट नाउ, बट वर्ल्ड चैंपियन बनने के लिए उनको भी ब्लीडिंग हुई. ही ऑल्सो ब्लीड. मीन्स टू से इफ यू want to become a world champion in boxing ना, आपको ब्लीड तो होना पड़ेगा. ऐसा पॉसिबल ही नहीं है कि आप ब्लीड भी ना करो और आप वर्ल्ड चैंपियन भी बन जाओ. सो सेम इन द फॉरएवर. इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल कि आपको लोग ना भी करे और आप सक्सेसफुल भी बन जाओ. जितने भी टॉप डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर हैं, व्हाट्स देयर सक्सेस सीक्रेट? उन्होंने सबसे ज्यादा ना सुना है. जेनलिन मैम ने आपसे ज्यादा नो सुना है. सो नो इज द पार्ट ऑफ आवर बिजनेस. सो नो मीन्स नेक्स्ट वन, नेक्स्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी. नो मीन्स वो पर्सन ने आपको पर्सनली रिजेक्ट नहीं किया. सो डोंट गेट डिमोटिवेटेड बाय नो. अभी मुझे नो मिला है बिफोर दिस ट्रेनिंग, बट राइट आफ्टर दैट आई कीप टेक एक्शन. फिर मुझे यस भी मिलता है. देन वी बिकम मैनेजर, देन वी कंप्लीट आवर 4cc. सो व्हाट आई टोल्ड टू माय टीम इज, मैं उनको क्या बोलता हूं कि डोंट फोकस ऑन प्रोस्पेक्ट्स, डोंट फोकस ऑन नो, focus on 4cc, focus on who is doing assistant supervisor. One of my teammate come to me yesterday, last night. So he's saying कि sir, I talked to 25 people, but मेरा जो presentation video या webinar में लोग बैठे, that is only 5. So what I do now? So I said कि focus on that 5%. Maybe उसमें से आपको एक assistant supervisor मिल जाए. You'll find your assistant supervisor in from that 5%. So what you need to do is when you get challenged and when you get no, so you need to analyze your actions or your efforts. You don't need to just quit the business, or I can say आपको बैठना नहीं है. You need to analyze that if I'm getting the result, then how I'm getting the result, and if I'm getting no or rejection, then why I'm getting the rejection. Rejection is the part of success. Failure is the part of success. Are you getting me? So what you guys are going to do next time, if you are getting a yes, then you just see how you are getting yes and write it down. Just create your own system and teach to your people. And if you are getting no na, then find it out why you are getting no. Just don't create that dead end. आपको dead end नहीं create करना है. Are you getting me? And then what you need to understand is you need to understand the power of network. Why I'm saying you just need to understand the power of network. What we do now, we just close some people and we just make some assistant supervisor. Then we start taking rest. This is not going to make you a manager, or this is not going to lead you to a passive income. Your network is going to lead and just going to make you a manager. आपका network matter करता है, what you are teaching to your team. If you are training, if you are taking training ना, अगर आप मुझे भी सुन रहे हो, you just attend this training like a teacher. And if you are working na, you just need to work that you need to teach to your team as well as. Okay, so uh, that's the thing you need to do if you want to grow into this business. This business is of net. You are in network marketing. You are not in marketing. You just need to, you don't need to sell the products or just make assistant supervisor for the commission. You need to build the network. If you are making assistant supervisor na, that's the part of your network. Just imagine if you recruit 10 people this year, or maybe this in this 2 to 3 months, and you teach them to how to recruit more people and how to share the products, and then that those 10 people, they recruit 10 more people. Now you have the network of 100 people, and that 100 people, you just need to teach them that recruit 10 more people, and that 100 people will recruit 10 more people, and you have a network of 1000 people now. And just imagine, जब आपके network में 1000 people start working, how much income you are going to have. And the best part is you are going to have the passive income. Maybe you are going to enjoy in Leela Palace just like Jenlin ma'am, and you are getting your income, you are getting you are getting your passive income. So this is the power of network. तो आप रेस्ट मत करें किया कीजिए by just doing your assistant supervisor level, or by just complete your 4cc. Help your team, है ना? And this is the beauty of this business, that by default you are become a good human, and you start you build a nature of helping people. आप एक ऐसा नेचर क्रिएट कर लोगे where you love to help people. When I started this business ना, I was kind of person, मेरे को पसंद है लोगों की हेल्प करना, but I understood this is my work, this is the only thing. If you you heard that line na, help people what they want, you will get what you want. This is the success secret in our business. And just be a good leader. What's the definition of good leader? They are independent. They don't depend on their senior. They depend on yourself, on their self. So just depend on yourself and start taking responsibility of your team. So by just following these points, अगर आप ये points follow करते हो ना, तो I am telling you, you will become manager very, very, very soon. You just need to create your network. आपको बस every month, you just need to make 2 assistant supervisor only. Very simple work, yeah. Just make 2 assistant supervisor every month. Complete your 1cc before 7, and you'll see you'll start making money and help your team to do the same. Then you'll see after 6 months you'll become manager, and you are start getting around 1 lakh, 2 lakh, or maybe 2.5 lakh. This is the success secret of our business. So I hope you guys understood what I said to you, and you start following this thing. So how many of you are going to follow this? कितने लोग follow करने वाले? You just type it out. Just type yes or me. Yeah. So I can see Rustam Sharma ji is typing yes. Okay. Elambam, Mani, Sumrala. It's quite difficult to pronounce their name, huh? Chinkhe. It is very quite tough for me to pronounce their name, so please forget me. Please forgive me. Seema, Dilto. All right. So you guys are ready to follow this thing, and I give you the surety, the guarantee. Soon you'll become manager. So are you guys completing your 4cc by this month? By the end of this month? Why you guys are waiting for the end of this month? You just complete your 4cc in just next 2 months. You can do that. You just go to your old prospect, just type, just text them. Are you guys ready to start the work? And as you can see, अभी तो GST भी कम हुआ है. So 2cc का combo का price भी कम हुआ है. So you have a good offer for them. You can do that. So thank you so much, guys, for listening me. And as I said, I'm from Delhi, so my English is not that much fluent because we communicate in Hindi maximum, na. So I hope you are understand what I said, and thank you so much, ma'am, for inviting me. And over to you.
Yeah, I just want to request you to put on the camera so that we can just have a glimpse together. I would like to, just record or to take in the story, okay? Yeah. Thank you so much, Nikhil sir. I really appreciate you coming here and sharing your much knowledge at the same time, your energy, your warm energy, your sophisticated everything, whatever you are working on your own system, you are generously providing your own way of doing it to our team also. I really appreciate that. And I also have taken down some few points I'm going to apply for myself and for my team as well. All right. So
Yes.
thank you so much. I really appreciate this would be close to my heart for coming and sharing your time with us. All right. Thank you so much. We'll see you again in some time. All right. Later. Yes. Thank
Thank
you
you so
so
much,
much.
ma'am.
And
See you
yeah,
soon.
yes, see you. See you. We will meet, okay, in
Ah, yeah,
personally.
definitely. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, okay. Yeah. Bye bye.